Alrighty, me and the welder are down here. We're just drove 3 hours down to Connecticut to buy the cheapest excavator I could find on pretty much the East Coast.
She's a gem.
She's a gem. It's a John Deere 790, 48,000 pounds, and yeah, 7,500 bucks. Most important thing is it's got a good undercarriage. It's hard to tell with all the mud, but it's easier on the side. Pins are all tight. It's got good meat. Sprocket. And the pins are all pretty round. There's no grooves or nothing. This is rough.
You're a diamond in the rough.
It's got some welding to do. It's got trees growing in it.
You keep me employed.
It's been sitting for a while, for sure. Bunch of plating. Looks ugly, but it's strong. It's holding, seems like. It's gonna need the cylinders repacked, at least the seals. I got called the dealer. You can still get quite a few parts for this thing. So the seal kits, not the repacking, but just do the seals, are around 100 bucks each. So for 400 bucks, I'm gonna seal up.
I hope these all came free and they didn't just try to heat them up, and that's why the seal still leaks, because they couldn't get the things apart.
Yeah, hopefully not.
But I would think you could get them apart with heat.
It's got signs of torching, for sure. Guy said it's pretty much dug in rock its whole life. That's why the boom's all cracked up.
It's ugly, but they did a good job bracing it.
Bucket's pretty toast, but I do have another bucket I got on Marketplace for 300. So I mean, won't have much into it.
You're winning at this point already. This thing will make some money.
Yep.
Next video she'll be shiny.
So yeah, we're gonna try getting it started here in a second. I got batteries. I got fuel. John Deere 64, 66T motor. They still are readily available, parts and everything. They use these in combines and dozers and all kinds of stuff John Deere made. Swiss cheese muffler. The great thing about these old rigs is they were thought out. So it's pretty much hard lined everywhere. The soft lines it does have are all the same lengths and everything, so you could, all four of these are all the same. Same thing up here. Those two are the same. The other two in the front are the exact same. These four are all the same. They're in pretty good shape for the most part. A couple are casings are cracking, but so for whatever dumb reason, the all the glass is here and the window works, but the guy left it open.
You got an indoor-outdoor rug.
Indoor-outdoor rug in here, so. And the meter was with the key on was clicking, so it's got 8,300 hours on it.
This guy had problems with freaking bees. Bee spray everywhere.
Yeah, so this is first video of the 790 restoration. I fully intend on hauling this back to Maine. I got it getting picked up on Monday. Today is Thursday. And this thing's going to work. I got jobs lined up. I have an excavation business running right now. And I have some theories on this I'll get into later. But I leased brand new cat equipment all last summer. Spent $32,000 on renting equipment. It broke down consistently. So I'm going to spend a third that, and even if it breaks down the same amount, I'm still saving money. So
you make a smart choice. Everybody else got that new, pretty, brand new.
And I've looked. I've been looking for parts. That's my biggest thing I was nervous about.
Payment.
Parts are available. Used parts, especially. Nobody wants to get stuck with the used parts. There's junkyards all over with these. There's a place in Texas. They have like 4 of them. Look at this thing. It's all hard lines. There's 4 rubber hoses. These 2 smaller ones, And these two big ones, I guess there's a couple other small ones back there, but and it's pretty dry. This hose is a little bit wet. It's all black from the muffler being toast.
Yeah, that muffler's been many days.
No electronics though. This thing runs on
a straight pipe.
nothing. And it's all the levers are mechanical. You know, you pull a lever, it does things. If the battery dies while you're running it, it still runs. Once she fires up in the morning, if it's running, it's going all day. So yeah, we're gonna get it fired up here in a minute, and I'll take a video of that.
All right, here we go. Dan's gonna fire up his old beauty. The old John Deere 790. Yes, we do it. Ooh.
I need a sniff.
He's got that thrust super starting fluid underneath the seat there. Yeah, this thing's a beauty. Most people wouldn't even think about touching this thing. What are you gonna do with that old piece of shit? It's gonna make us money at a fraction of the price.
You can give her a snort of the old good stuff.
Your little ether. Little sniff sniff.
Dude, it's even got an ether little fort thing.
Isn't that convenient?
Waddle on down this way.
When you buy this thing new back in the 80s, it came with a case of it.
Alright, let's try her out.
Oh yeah. Beautiful. We're gonna rebuild the exhaust system, I think.
Good fire, right up.
Alright, we got Dan. He's gonna try out this machine, see if it digs. Spins around in circles. All that good stuff. Gosh, it sounds great. Come on, man. You can't touch a machine like this for under money. You just get it for 75. It's not even idled up. Just digging. I think it's a pretty good machine. 75 bucks. Doing everything it's supposed to be doing. Good reach. 90. Good old 80s technology. All mechanical, less shit to break. No brainer.